if you're in that category of people who love to eat beans, who love to eat moi moi, but at the end of the day you experience acid reflux, which is called heartburn, or you experience stomach discomfort, with this video I've got you covered. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada. I'm a Potaka YouTuber and I'm based here in Nigeria. I do lifestyle videos, I do health, I do vlogs, I do tutorials. Any video that appeals to me, that's what we do on this channel. So in today's video guys, if you're in that category of people who love to eat beans, who love to eat moi moi, but at the end of the day you experience hot sensation at your heart region, acid reflux, which is called heartburn, or you experience stomach discomfort, guys, calm down, because I bring you good news. I used to be in that category, or let's just say that I am still in that category, but I figured a way out to make it easy for me. I've also figured a way out, to eat this food without experiencing any form of stomach discomfort or heartburn. Previously, I used to be one of those people who will eat this, and I bet you all through the day, sometimes might last for 5 days, 4 days, it can go as long as a week, and I will have this very uneasy feeling around me. I will not be at rest until this feeling goes down. So today I bring you the good news, because I figured out 2 things you can do that can help you eat beans at any time of the day you want without experiencing any form of heartburn or any form of stomach discomfort. Some people even came up with the idea that when you soak beans for a period of 6 hours, it helps you, it takes out the acid or gaseous, whatever it is they use to preserve it, that causes heartburn. Guys, I've tried this method and I can tell you that it didn't work for me. And then some of the people came up with the fact that you should parboil beans for a period of time, like after washing it severally, maybe 3-4 times, and soaking it as well. You should also put it in your pot, parboil it for a few minutes, and then turn out the water before cooking it properly. I've tried this method guys, it still didn't work for me. So I stopped eating beans. But after much research, you know your girl, I always research to find out the way out. So after several research, I came up with 2 things. Number 1 thing you can try to add to your beans to enable you eat it without having any feeling of heartburn is scent leaf. I'm going to put a picture of scent leaf here. Scent leaf is known to contain antibacterial, antifungal, and is also known to contain anti-inflammatory properties. Scent leaf is also good for digestive system. It's a healing herb that people, because it's very common, because it's almost everywhere, people tend to overlook this herb. One thing they don't have an idea is that scent leaf has numerous benefits that when you go through it, I think you want to put it in everything you eat. Scent leaf are very powerful when it comes to digestive system. They help with your bowel system. They contain calcium, they contain a lot of nutrients that can calm your bowel system. So because of this nutrient in scent leaf, when you add it to your beans, guys, I tell you the truth, you will experience calmness all over you whenever you eat beans cooked with scent leaf. I've tried using scent leaf. I noticed that, if I'm being 100% honest, that it works. But if I'm to give it the percentage, at what percentage will I give it? I will give it a total of 90%. Scent leaf gets the job done. It helps with acid reflux, it helps to calm your heartburn. So I will also, it is something that I've experimented, and I would recommend you always add to your beans whenever you're cooking it, to enable you overcome the feeling of heartburn every freaking time you eat beans. Also add it in your moi moi to calm your nerves, to take out that feeling of heartburn every time you eat moi moi, which is also made with beans. Number 2 tip on my list, which is my fave of all times, guys, I've tried this particular herb. I've used it almost in everything. I use it in my drinking water. I use it virtually in everything I cook, and I can bet you that this one works very well. That is what? Ginger. I know you guys are surprised, right? Are you surprised? Don't be surprised. Ginger does an amazing job when it comes to cooking beans. See guys, no matter how many times you wash beans, I've experimented this and I can tell you for fact, no matter how many times you wash beans, no matter how many times you turn out the water from beans before parboiling it, you will, like someone like me, will always experience heartburn. It might not come immediately, but after a few hours the heartburn just begin to build up, and before you know it goes on for weeks, it goes on for days, except I take Gaviscon. That's the only thing that can calm my nerves whenever I'm having heartburn. But when I found out that ginger gets the job done, guys, since I started using ginger for beans, at first I know a lot of people will say, how will it taste? Guys, try it. Ginger is amazing for heartburn. Try it in your beans, try it in your moi moi. I know for moi moi it gives it a different flavor, which is also good, and some people don't like it. But for beans, guys, it takes the beans from here to here. Like literally it takes your beans from here to here. It will help you take out the feeling of heartburn every freaking time. Like if I'm to rate ginger for beans and heartburn, I'll give it a 98%. That is how good ginger is. So if you're in that category that you eat beans and you experience heartburn, or your children eat beans and they experience that painful feeling that comes in your upper part of your chest, guys, develop the habit of putting ginger in your beans. And I don't mean just dropping it like this. I don't mean just breaking it like this. When I mean putting ginger, I mean you take something like this, wash it, grate it properly, and then add it in your beans so that it will not be seen. Just the flavor alone it gives is a different thing, but it will give you the comfort of eating beans comfortably. You don't even need to throw away the water and all that. It will save you the stress of throwing away the water. It will save you the stress of washing too many times, soaking for 6 hours like they say, and all that. It will save you all that stress. Just add ginger to your beans, and I bet you will not regret it. You won't even remember that you ate beans. That is how good it is. Like I've done it severally. I've tried it different methods and it always comes out a banger. And at the end of the day, I don't feel any form of pain. I don't feel any form of sensation in my heart anymore from the fact that I have just eaten beans. So this is just the 2 tips I have for you. If you're in that category and you love beans, you still want to be able to cook beans in your house with your family, your children, your loved ones, you want to be able to cook beans for them and eat with them without any one of them experiencing heartburn or stomach discomfort, then try these 2 tips. Either you use scent leaf or you use ginger, and I promise you that you will regret even discovering this. This is my little tricks that has helped me, and I decided to come here and share with you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if it's something you're going to try, and also whenever you try, you please also come back to this video and let me know in the comment section that you've given it a try, how it went with you. Please, if this video was very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to tell a friend that there's a girl here on YouTube called the only Adaku. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.